Okay, once you've got your plugin set, we're going to go back to click on the apps. It's going to bring up our installed apps. We're going to click on Printful to bring that up. We're going to work to create our first product. We're going to scroll down and click Add Product. All of your options are going to pop right up. You can see we've got shirts, wall art, hats, mugs, all over shirts, socks, phone cases, pretty much anything you can think of. We're going to want to click on mugs. Two mug options here, a economical white glossy mug and a white glossy mug made in the US. You may try experimenting with both types of mugs to see which ones sell better, but for now we're going to go with the cheaper version. Right away another light box pops up and it pretty much just needs a design from us, so we're going to go choose a file. Now I've already created and uploaded a file similar to the one that we saw on Amazon. Now I'm using this as an example, so when you go on creating your own design, make sure you do a little research that you're not directly ripping anybody off, or things aren't copyright and stuff like that. Also, if you're not good at making your own designs, like I created this design using Photoshop, and I'll probably make a little tutorial later on showing you how I did it. It took me about 5 minutes to make, and the icon I got from a website called Noun Project, which is really cool. But if you're not good at that, I've included a link for Fiverr, and you can use some of the artists there to help you create designs. But I've already uploaded this. We're going to go ahead and choose that. You can see it pops up. It gives you different spaces to align it. So I'm going to take my design and I'm going to move it over so that it shows up on the middle of the mug when the handle's on the left. Actually, let's do it on the right, so when you're drinking, if you're a right-handed person, people can see your design. We're going to center it among this line here. You've got some other buttons here that can help you move stuff around. And you can see kind of what it's going to look like down here. Once you've got your image set, click Proceed to Mockups. This will give you the different mockup images for your handle on right, handle on left, your front view. I like to use the PNG, but if you want to conserve space on your hard drive or in your store, you can use JPEG. Then we're going to proceed to description. I'm going to give it a quick name. I work hard for my dog mug. And then, we'll just leave the description here, but if you wanted to put something in else that was clever, you could. And we'll proceed to pricing. You see we can set the pricing to anything we want. Your Printful price, that's the price it's going to cost to print and design the product for you. If we wanted to have our retail price at $15 to $20, we'd make $8 in shipping. You can see we can adjust the different prices here. I'm going to put, $5. That'll keep us, pretty competitive at $13.95. Publish product. This product will be visible in your online store. We definitely want that. And choose collections. We're going to just select homepage. Later on, you can create different collections if you like. Say if you wanted to have just for French bulldogs or for pit bulls. And then we're going to submit to store. And as you can see, it's starting to load up on our store here. So hopefully we'll get it going pretty quick. While our product is loading, let's go over and click on, under sales channels, we'll click on online store and then themes. We're going to want a cool theme. Shopify's got lots of great themes. Some of them you can buy, some of them are free. Typically starting out, I usually just go with one of their free themes. Debut is the default theme on this. You can see it's pretty simple. We've got our name up here, home, catalog, a search icon, and then a cart. This is your placeholder, which will be the image with text overlay, so we'll put an image there. Featured collection. As you can see, our mug is already up. I work hard so my dog can have a better life. Really cool 3D mock-up to give people an idea. Image with text, this is different stuff that you can put in here in the store, so you can go ahead and beautify your store and make it cool. I'll probably go over some of those details later, but this is the kind of stuff that you're going to want to put in. Adjusting all this stuff is pretty simple over here. So say if we wanted to go over to the header, we had a logo that we could make, we could put it right here. Custom logo width, main menu. You can see announcement text. We can change the color of our bars, stuff like that. image with text overlay, that's this big guy here. So if we wanted to put an image in there or change what it says, you know, we could say doggy mugs for the dog lover, you know, to give people an idea. We make we make mugs that dog lovers love. Check out our catalog for the latest fun mugs. You know, a little call to action, get something going on there. Then we can, you know, even create a little button. Click to see catalog. And then we can drive that to our products selection. So we'll say all products, and boom, you'll see right away the button pops up. Go back. Featured collection, right now all we've got is our one mug there, but that would be what you change with that. Your image with text, this is the next piece here. You could put something, you know, maybe a picture of yourself, give a little bit of information about the store. One great way to figure out how to design your store is go to some of your competitors and see what they're doing and kind of, you know, model your store after them, especially the ones that are really popular. I'll probably create another video that shows you how to do some competitive analysis, and the best way to learn how to create a great user experience optimized store is by studying what those who are already successful have already done and, you know, borrowing some of that stuff. You can create a slideshow, you can add sections, you've got your footer here too. Again, this is all stuff that you're going to want to play with in your spare time. For now though, we just want to get the basics set up, but understand, you know, obviously you're going to want to make an attractive store. Now when we get back to the page, you might notice that customers can't check out because your online store is password protected. Be sure that once you get things up and running, you click on the remove password button. We're going to take this off. This is a default password they've set. We're going to save that. Now people can go straight to our store. So let's check it out. Doggy mugs, my Shopify. Let's see what our store looks like to the average person. Boom, and we're live. So anybody can go in here, click on this, click your mug, add it to the cart, and we could check out. You've got a store set up. That's how easy it is to set up a store in Shopify. Absolutely wonderful. Of course, like I said, again, you're going to want to beautify the store a little bit. You're probably going to want to work on some of those remarketing methods with your MailChimp plugin, and I'll go over that in a later video. But for the most part here, we have absolutely everything we need to get our store up and running.